Okay, quick two-parter. Before I clean this up, this is the oil filter cavity where it faces the engine casing. Right there. And this is the factory gasket from Taiwan where it's kind of overlapping the O-ring that helps seal off better pressure-wise. So it wasn't a problem as far as I know. I mean, it wasn't leaking out or anything up here. So, but any more and it could have caused a problem. Luckily it didn't, but that's even what happens from the factory in Taiwan when they assemble the motor. Pretty sure they're still assembled there. But what I really was going to do here was show the clutch arm from the inside. I have another video talking about how to drop it in and out. But there's that cutout that hooks the throw-out arm, pressure plate arm, whatever. Anyways, it goes into there, and when you turn it to drop it in, you're actually turning it like that. If you can see that, where it's almost like it's a flat side, where it slips down past this head. Just slips past it. And when you go too far, see if I can get on it. You go too far down, then you can't hook on. You hit that ledge right there against the pressure, the rod I just showed you in the engine. So that's where, when you turn it back some and pull up, it allows you to hook that part behind mosquitoes, behind the head here. See if I can get closer in. That's what you're sliding in on, so that you can pull out, which pulls the pressure plate against these springs in here and releases the tension between the frictions and the steels. But that makes you understand a little better what you're doing when you pull this out of the engine. You're unhooking the head and pulling it up, and when you do that accidentally, the other videos I'll show you from the outside what you're doing, but it goes too far in, pull it back up some, then hook it and you're good, and you can hook your cable back up. Hope that helps somebody.